Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your TikTok region or location. So, if you have updated your TikTok recently, you will notice that you can no longer see ability to change your region. Basically, took that away in the last version. But we can change our TikTok region by using VPN. First of all, you need to VPN to do that. So now you need to go to your Play Store and download any VPN app. Then connect your VPN to another country. Now open your TikTok app. So if you scroll through the For You page, you will see many more videos from people in your connected VPN country. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.